Want to create a unique and eye-catching typography effect in Photoshop? In this video, I'll show you a simple but powerful technique step by step. Let's get started. First, import your image into Photoshop and now pick the text tool. For this design, I'm using the font Lemon Milk Medium. Type your text and then press Ctrl+T for free transform to adjust it properly. Now hold Alt and drag to duplicate the text layer. Type your text. Hold Alt and drag to duplicate the layer. Next, hold Shift, select all the text layers and press Ctrl+G to group them. Rename this group as text. Now select your text and adjust the size according to your design. Press Ctrl+R to enable guidelines and place them for better alignment. Now pick the rectangle tool, click once and enter the width as 19 and height as 956, then press OK. Again, pick the rectangle tool, click once, and this time set the width to 136 and height to 148. Then press OK. Now arrange your text exactly as shown on the screen. Now hold Alt and drag to duplicate layer. Hold Alt and drag to duplicate layer. Next, pick the rectangle marquee tool and create a rectangular selection. Hold Shift and then click on the Layer Mask button. Now select all layers and press Delete. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Delete the layer mask and hide this duplicated layer. Next, pick the rectangle marquee tool and create a rectangular selection. And use a hard round brush to remove the selected area. Now pick the marquee tool, again create a selection, and use a hard round brush to remove the selected area. Next, click on the layer, hold Alt, and create a clipping mask. And then press Ctrl+T for free transform to adjust it properly. Now hide the background and press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+E to merge all visible layers. Double click on the layer and apply a drop shadow. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer. Rename this layer as Filter. Now go to Filter arrow, Camera Raw Filter, and follow the settings shown on your screen. And just like that, you can clearly see this amazing typography effect. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to TBO Graphics for more creative Photoshop tutorials. See you in the next one.